Three CAD tools. One makes you feel like a hacker, one feels like a pro engineer, and one runs entirely in your browser. Which one should you actually use? Today, we're breaking down OpenSCAD, Autodesk Fusion 360, and Onshape. Fast, simple, and brutally honest. Personality test. First, OpenSCAD. This is not drag and drop. You literally code your 3D models. Perfect if you love logic, math, and precision. Terrible if you hate programming. Think, I want exact control, not I want a sketch. Now, Fusion 360. Full professional toolkit. CAD, CAM, simulation, even electronics. Used by engineers, makers, startups. But it's powerful and complex. Steeper learning curve. Runs partly locally, so needs decent hardware. And then Onshape, fully cloud-based, runs entirely in your browser. Real-time collaboration like Google Docs for CAD. No installs, no powerful PC needed. But here's the catch. Fewer built-in features than Fusion. No native simulation or CAM. Who should use what? If you're a programmer or want parametric perfection, OpenSCAD. If you want everything in one tool, Fusion 360. Best all-in-one, design plus manufacturing. Huge community, easier learning than Onshape. If you want collaboration and simplicity, Onshape. Best for teams, works on any device, but can be more expensive for business use. Price and reality check. Fusion 360, paid subscription but free for hobbyists or startups. Onshape, free version is your designs are public. OpenSCAD, completely free, always. Reviews and is it a scam? All three are legit software used worldwide, not scams. Onshape Trustpilot, 2.8 out of 5, mixed feedback. See Onshape reviews on Trustpilot. Complaints are usually about pricing or limitations, not fraud. Here's the truth. You don't pick the best CAD software, you pick the one that matches how your brain works. Code it, design it, or collaborate it. Choose wrong and you'll quit. Choose right and you'll build anything.